Online earning is a scam. Yes, it is when you have not proper any skill or any knowledge of particular thing, so that's a scam. Like you download some dummy apps and play games and think about to earn money, that's a scam. But yes, when you have learned on a skill and provide the service, then it's a good amount of money you can earn here. So yes, that's I'm talking about my journey. Yes, I know that I'm not a good someone that's start 2 years 3 years ago and earn more than 5-10 lakhs. Not, I'm not like that. I am start 6 or 7 months ago online earning, just a small skill like YouTube SEO and social media management. Just I learned the skill, I think on to 2 months. But yes, you have the potential of your or can specialist, then I think you can earn proper money. I am started when I'm complete the graduation end of the 2023, then I learn and that's a skill more than 2 months. Then I collect mail and send mail. I am doing the mail marketing. How many client I have right now all over mail, so mail is work for me. So that's time I will send every month 500 to 600 mail individual, not any apps using automation apps using. I am like to give my time. That's I notice all thing, that's YouTube channel and problem and our social media growth. Yes, I know that automation is good. Every month you can more than 10,000 and 12,000 and send mail cold mail, but I like to work on individual. Yes, I think when I have that types of money invest of automation I will do, but right now I am doing individually work. So yes, my journey start January February 2024, and I will send mail every day 50 to 45. But you're not to be responsible because I don't know this time how to mail and how to write mail. So then, and after 1 month I will depress because no one responds. I think more than 4 to 500 send mail, uh, but no one responds. But on guys response on UK, they live on UK, so I'll manage the social media talking about 15 days. He will provide $15, but he will ask me that you have PayPal account. I am truly talking about not, I have not. So then and he will respond that's your scammer, you have not PayPal account, so you are not a professional worker. So that time is heartbreaking for me because first 2 months I just learned the skill, then more than 1.5, it's more 2 months I found client and send mail. So 4 months I just give my time, but no result I see. And when I am see the result, but it's my fault, I have not PayPal account. Then I understand that's just not skill enough for any business or online earning. Then I search that's how to online earning money and how to needs what account needs and what thing all needed. So then I create PayPal account, then I create Fiverr account, then I create LinkedIn account. Then I see the growth up after 2 or 3 months. I think that uh, August, May, June, and July. July is the best. I earn more than I think $1,000. That's on single month. That's I understand in this whole 6 or 8 month process. That's you have good communication skill, you have to potential to understand your client, and he or she will believe you, then it's good for you. I will telling that I will do on video SEO just for $5, just for $5. It's Indian rupee, it's for more I think 400 rupee. But she, the lady is an investor of real estate, and she will very happy for my or first work. I think after 1 month, she will told me that I will not to know you. That's why I work for just $5. But money is not important. I think you provide the value my times, and if you have the trust with me, then we work. Then we work 6 month contract for $1,200. You understand? $1,200. It's been she will pay every month of 200 USD for just management her YouTube channel. Her YouTube channel is not bigger. I think more than 500 subscribers, but they have the business and broker. So that's why I know right now that YouTube is not for just earning for other countries. My country is different, but other country it's a portfolio and it's a very good and professional look way. So yeah, so I told that's how people come on social media or come on earn online earning money. So first you build your own team, your insight. It's mean you think about you just individually work is not possible. You build up team your himself. That's you have the time for that particular thing, then the particular thing, then the particular thing. You can broke down and because you have not to money right now to invest your team. So that's I am right now, yes, I have team that's a edit video, but my video is not to be editing because I am love to simple this types of video. But when I am start the YouTube SEO, I am shipped right now for video editing. I have no skill. Yes, some skill. I am CapCut user. Just CapCut I will use, but my teammate and my team member is very good editor. So I found client. So 50 or 60% I pay my editor, and 30% is my margin. So I have not knowledge for that, but I have also earn money, and I have knowledge for YouTube page. I also earn money. So that's why I'm telling that she have good communication skill. It's the very good for you. I think you invest 6 months your time of anything whatever you love to do, you see the best result. I think that, and you guys interested to know about what is YouTube video SEO and how to do that. So मैं उसके लिए वीडियो बनाऊंगा, कोई बात नहीं, तुम लोग जस्ट कमेंट करो और वीडियो को लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो, जो मर्जी करो भाई। देखो यूट्यूब ऐसी है, उतना भी मतलब ज़्यादा कठिन नहीं है, उतना समय नहीं लगता है इसमें। तुम लोग 1 महीने अपने इस स्किल को सीखने में दोगे तो आई थिंक दैट यू शुड गुड अमाउंट ऑफ मनी अर्न। एंड यस, एंड जो लोग यूट्यूब में वीडियो बनाते हैं वो लोग को पता है यूट्यूब वीडियो एसईओ क्या है, क्या करते हैं। सो मेरा भी एक चैनल था फास्ट में, सो मुझे पता था कैसे वीडियो शूट करना है, तो मैं क्लाइंट को सजेशन भी देता हूँ हाउ टू शूट good video, how to use hook line. So that's a small thing. You have your knowledge, I think you earn money, but proper you have the communication skill. Okay, so we can talk another video of another day. By this time.